Find or read reviews that people are talking about Autel original MaxiSYS CV, Cat9, pin adapter. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Unlike other common adapter, this top quality Cat9 adapter is 100% original and are covered under a direct official quality backup. It has stable safety and anti-interference, new environmental protection plastic material. A must for owners of the MaxiSYS MS909CV diagnostic tool aiming to service off-road vehicles with Caterpillar engines. This Cat9 adapter is a 9-pin off-highway vehicle adapter for use on construction and agriculture machines and vehicles operating off-road using Caterpillar engines. Elevate your diagnostics game effortlessly with this essential adapter. If you're looking for a top-quality replacement adapter for your Autel CV tool, then look no further than the MaxiSYS CV Caterpillar 9-pin adapter. This adapter is compatible with all Autel CV tools, including the MS906CV, MS908CV II, MS908CV and MS909CV. Note, this connector is only compatible with MaxiSYS CV packages, MS909CV, MS908CV, MS906CV. With just 4 simple steps, you can easily use this connector to work. Step 1. Connect the Cat9 adapter to the vehicle. Step 2. Connect the other end of the connector Cat9 adapter with main cable. Step 3. Connect 𝗪𝗿𝗁𝗀𝗏 with main cable. Step 4. Connect 𝗪𝗿𝗁𝗀𝗏 with Autel CV scanner. Note, simply ensure both your Autel CV tool and VCI have the latest software updates for optimal performance. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.